It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crownedksutherland. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel, baby. I really hope you'd subscribe and stick around and be a part of the family. Yep, that's right. Nothing but extraordinary beings over on this wonderful channel. So guys, today I'm doing a wig review for y'all and a styling as well, but your girl had the wig cap on the wrong side. Like, I don't know how that happened, and now that I'm rewatching this, I flipped it over and it still looks the same. Maybe it was right, I don't know. But today's video is in collaboration with KlaiyiHair. I always butcher their name, but yeah guys, they sent me this wig to review for y'all, and shout outs to them. In the box I did receive some free gifts, some wig caps, as well as a scarf. So this unit is pretty straightforward. It's one of those like quick units, like literally it doesn't take you long, but it took me a little bit because I was being extra. But yeah, this is their 24-inch straight lace part wig, and this is in a number 4 color. And this is one of those wigs that come with the fabric that's sewn under it, that fake scalp thing. So it's like a T wig, like a T part, because you cannot part it. Like, it comes with a fake scalp underneath, and then it has like combs and straps, so it's like ready to wear. And the parting area, guys, it's literally a little section, like right there, there's no lace. So that's how it comes, and that's how you have to wear it, unfortunately. But yeah guys, that's what it's looking like, and I went ahead and I tried it on just to see if it fit. And guys, for units like this, you can always like spray it with some got to be just to hold it in place, because it tends to slip. Sometimes these units, they tend to slip back when you wear them. So I always do like some edges or something to like hold it down so it stays in place. And I'm going in with a tweezer just to like pluck the parting, and honestly I might have over tweezed it, but that's okay. You can always use concealer and some brown eye shadow or a brown eyebrow pencil just to shade the hair in, so you have a very sharp part. That's what I do all the time. And guys, this hair, they say that it's 150% density, and honestly I had to wonder if it was like 130 thereabout, because it's a very natural density. When I say natural, it's natural, girl. It's not thick. So if you're looking for a thick unit, this is not it. This gives me a more like I just got a relaxer vibe. It looks very natural. It's that kind of density, but I'm not mad at it because it makes it look even more natural and realistic. So that's what the little party area is looking like after I got done, and I cut the excess lace off. You could always go ahead and just wear it like this, but I was being extra, girl. I decided to comb some hair out, just make some edges. Yeah, so I really was being extra because I wanted like some edges or whatever, and honestly it'll be way easier when I do the edges on these wigs. I don't know what happened this time. I feel like because I had my makeup on and everything, I was trying to not use much product because I did not want the product messing with my makeup, and then I would have to like redo my makeup. So I feel like if you're doing like edges on this, it's best to wipe the area off, or just do the edges first and then do your makeup, because I be seeing people doing applications on hair and they have their full face of makeup on. I can't do that. The product always tend to mess with my makeup application, so I do my hair first, then I do my makeup. And I'm just using some mousse to lay that down, and then I'm gonna cut those. And I did cut them at first, but they were way too long. But yeah, as it relates to this part, it's optional. You don't have to do this. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to do this. It didn't come like that. They didn't say do this. I just do this. So I cut that off, and I played around until I created something. So I did have some kind of like edges going on after a while. It took me a long goddamn time to It took me so long to actually get that part together, but yeah, we got it together, and I'm just using my hot comb to go through the hair, and I'm using this Style Factor Edge Booster, their wax stick, and I'm just using that to catch the flyaways, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and go in between the hair just so the top portion is a really flat and just like really nice, because you want it to lay, it's giving like this natural vibe that, you know, so you want it to like lay really flat so it looks realistic and not very wiggy. So I'm just doing that until I'm satisfied with how the top portion is. And guys, let me tell you, while doing the hair, I decided I want it to be layered. Like, you know that really sleek 90s kind of look where it's bone straight and then you have like some long layers? I don't know. That's what I felt like doing. And when I was getting close to the end of styling it, that's what I did. So just like keep on watching to see how I achieved that. And let me tell you, girl, I'm not no professional. I can't cut hair like that. Well, I can. Anybody can cut hair, but I'm not like a professional where I was trained to cut hair. So please don't be like, that's not how you cut hair, because girl, I know. I just did what I did and it ended up working. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like.
I'm leaning on a soul that says everything's gonna be okay, okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything.
I'm going in with some heat protector, and I'm just putting that over the hair because I will be flat ironing the hair, and the heat protector really helps so the hair doesn't like fry that much and it doesn't look what you called it, it don't look crazy when you flat iron it, because when I don't use heat protector, I notice I have a lot of flyaways and the hair kinda looks a bit more frizzy versus if I use a heat protectant.
Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about everything. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in.
And you're literally just going to part the hair and straighten it all the way around as straight as you can get it. And it's better to part your hair in smaller sections and put your flat iron through it, just so it's more sleek and it lays more versus doing like a big chunk all at once. And guys, once I got the hair straight, I went in to cut my hair in layers. I don't know who told me to do that, but it still looked cute. It's best if you're doing this to use like rubber bands. I didn't have any rubber bands, so I used some hair ties. Like you can see, that's all I had. So I used that and I literally parted the hair out. I divided my hair in 4. So evenly, I put 2 in the front and I put that together, and I put the hair tie where I wanted the hair to cut in a sense, and then I moved on and I added the other 2 pieces on either side and I added the hair tie on them, and then I did that 2 more times so my hair was in 4 sections, and that would give me the layers that I was looking for. I don't even know why I'm explaining it, guys, because it's not like I am licensed to cut hair or whatever, you know? I just tried something and I think it worked, okay? So don't judge me with this cutting of layers, but this is like my DIY to cut layers in your wig, okay?
Something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today.
See, we have 4 layers. And guys, honestly, I feel like you shouldn't cut the hair the way how I did it. I cut it, I did it down. It's better if you cut it upwards because that gives the hair, it makes it better trimmed. That don't even make no sense. But when you cut it upwards, it makes the ends not so choppy. So because I cut it in that downward direction, and that's not even a hair scissors, girl, but it's okay, it's what I could find. I had to like get up and go off camera, and after taking out the scrunchies or the hair ties out of my hair, I had to get the scissors and hold the hair and literally turn the scissors, hold the scissors upwards. You see how I'm holding it down now? I had to hold the scissors upwards and hold the hair between my fingers and just like clip the ends. just clip it upwards, if that makes any sense. Hopefully y'all understand. And that just took away the bluntness and it made the hair more layered. I'm not a professional, so I know the way how I'm describing it maybe it doesn't help, but guys, it worked for me. So you see that it was choppy, but when I was done after getting the scissors and just like clipping the ends, just holding the hair between my fingers and clipping it upwards, it made the ends better. You see how what I did there? So it took away the bluntness and I ended up liking the hair a lot. Like, let me know down below, guys, what y'all thought. Do you think my DIY layers trimming is like a thing or no? Or I don't know. But let me know what y'all thought down below. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if this is your first time, girl, like, please stick around. Please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. I really hope you'd stick around because I do videos all the time on here with like hair, makeup, lifestyle, clothing hauls, you name it, girl. If it's beauty related, it's over here. So like, yeah, please stick around. I love you guys oh so much, and let me know if y'all like my finished style because honestly I felt like a 90s baddie. Felt like it was giving me like Monica vibes in the 90s and also like an Aaliyah vibes. Let me know down below, guys. I love you guys, and all the information for this hair is in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.